In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an admin from your WOP community step by step so you can manage your team cleanly and make sure the right people still have access. If you've got multiple team members or you just need to revoke someone's admin permissions, this walkthrough will make the process simple and fast. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you should land on your home feed. If you don't see your dashboard right away, don't worry, just make sure you're in the correct account first. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation bar and click Dashboard. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your business and community settings. From here, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right place before making any changes. Now this part is really important if you manage more than one business. Look at the top left corner of the screen and check which business is currently selected. If you have multiple businesses, you'll want to click the Business Selector, which is the button with the up and down arrows, and switch to the correct one. This helps prevent accidental changes to the wrong community or team. Once the correct business is selected, go down the left sidebar and find the All Tools section. Scroll until you see more, then click it. After that, select Team. This is where WOP keeps the team management tools, including admin roles and member access. When the team page opens, you'll see a list of members connected to your business or community. Find the person who currently has the admin role and that you want to remove. Carefully check the name so you don't remove the wrong user. On the far right side of that members row, click the three dots menu. This opens the action options for that specific user. From the menu, choose Remove User. WOP will then remove that member from the team, which also removes their admin access. Before you confirm, always double check that you selected the right person, especially if multiple admins are listed. Once they're removed, they no longer have the same access to your WOP community or business tools. And that's it. You've now removed an admin from your WOP community. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the team settings, and now you can keep your workspace secure and organized. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.